Okay.
Hi, this is Lisa. I have SMA type 2, and today I'm going to try my Jaco robot. This is my first day using it without a representative here, or a healthcare professional, or my caretaker. So I bought myself this new stainless steel thermal mug off of Amazon on the advice of my therapist, who said to practice with things that won't spill. So hopefully we won't spill. So the Jaco robot right now is in its resting place, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with it on B1 and pull it back a little bit, aim it to the cup. I'm gonna switch to B2 and go down. I'm gonna go on back to B1 and just kind of get a little closer. And then I've found it easy to remember that 4 is for fingers. So B4, I'm gonna close the fingers around the cup. Go back to B2 and raise it up. Go back to B1 and pull it closer to my face. Now the trick is, it's close enough, but it's not exactly tilted towards me, so I'm gonna try to tilt it. But tilting is on B2. So here we go. Actually, I think this time I have to do a little bit of B3 to get it a little bit tilted more my direction. And then I'll go back to B1 to have it come just a little bit closer. And success getting a drink. I'll include a link to the cup that I bought in the bottom for anybody's reference. I was a little disappointed because I thought it would come with a stainless steel straw, and it came with a plastic straw that's pretty sturdy. The nice thing is that it has the screw-on cap, so I think it's pretty much anti-spill. So I'm going to try to put the cup back down on the countertop by going to B2 to lower. A little bit too far, and then I'm going to go to B3 to try to tilt the cup a little bit straighter. I'm still learning about B3 and how the wrist works, because sometimes it goes a way I don't expect, and other times it's a success. I think this time I have to rotate the wrist a little bit.
You gotta go that way. Yeah.
And
Now
then
put
I'm
it down.
gonna lower it. So while I'm on B2, I can put it down a little bit with a smack. I go to B4, I open all the fingers. I'm gonna go to B2 to lift it over the cup so that I don't bring it back with me. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and hold the switch control down and bring the arm back to its resting position. And that's successful to get a drink.